What's going on YouTube? This is your boy LB. In this video I'm gonna talk about AI Juice. So AI Juice, guys, it's a plugin which has 1,000 preset, transition, SFX, music, background, text, animation, etc. So in this video too, I'm gonna edit a short video by using this AI Juice. So I'm gonna use the transition in it. So I'm gonna use the transition in AI Juice, text, animation, VFX. That means I'm gonna edit the whole video by using this AI Juice. So guys, at the end of this video, and you will see the final result of AI Juice did. So now let's jump on it in the Premiere Pro and let's see how to use this AI Juice. Let's go. Okay, this is how my video clip it is. Okay, I have already been arranged this clip. So now the things I have to do, I'm going to add like transition, title, music, background, VFX, something like that. Okay, in just few times. Okay, first you have to come here to AI Juice website to download your AI Juice. Okay, so make sure you download the AI Juice plugin. Okay, so when you download it, you will see some AI Juice pack manager looks like this, and then you install it as normal. Okay, so after you done, you have to come here in Adobe Premiere Pro, go here on this window, extension, and then open up this AI Juice pack manager. So now you will see this panel of AI Juice, okay, because it contains like 1,000 packs, transition, titles, lower third, VFX, LUT, SFX, something like that. Okay, but in this AI Juice also it has two parts. Okay, one part it's free. Okay, it is this one. This is free ones. This is the free packs, you can use it. Okay, and then there is also paid packs, okay, which is this one. Okay, for example, we're gonna start by adding transition. So here we have the transition packs, and here we have the title packs, lower third packs, VFX. Okay, for someone who like to do VFX, guys, this AI Juice is yours, man. Okay, the LUT, color grading, SFX, the music, background, sound effect, something like that. Okay, so as I told you, this is my video clips. If I just want to add, for example, the transition, I have to come here on this my clip. Just you have to select two clips. Okay, and then after selecting those two clips, here you have to choose any transition you want. For example, you have to choose on this transition, you choose any pack you want, and then when you choose it, for example, first it have to download it first, and then after downloading, then you will save this ton of transition, something like this. The ink smokes looks like this. Okay, for example, let me use this tone paper transition. After select those two clips, you have to choose any transition you want, and then you have to click on it, and then you click on import. So, and you have to wait just a few seconds. Okay, so and now here you will see your transition which is already get in. Okay, so now when you play, now you see how this transition looks like. Alright, so now when I play, now you see how this transition it is looking. This is nice. And then guys, for all transition which is on this AI Juice pack manager, you have to select those two clips, and then you have to apply the transition any you want. Okay, so and then when we jump on this title, guys, and then here there is more 1,000 also of title packs animation. Okay, and then here the things you have to do, you have to choose any title animation you want, and then also you have to apply it on your video. For example, here too I have these titles. Okay, there is 3D titles, and here too there is other one which is, yes, modern, something like that. It is also animated, guys. Okay, so if I just want to choose any title animation I want, for example, when I choose this one, also I have to click here on it, and then I click here on import. All right, so now here guys, I received the layer of this text. Okay, you see how this text it is looks nice guys, looks amazing. Okay, so and then when you play you see the animation of this text also, and then when you come here for this essential graphics, here is where you can edit your text. For example, here I can just type something which I want. Okay, for example like this. Okay, now you will save the text here guys. Here if you just want, you can increase or decrease the size of your text. Here too you can just change any color you want about your text guys. Here those are all the settings which you can use for edit your text. Okay, for here in AI Juice Pack Manager, even those all text. Okay, because we have some different text animation, the weddings, okay, grass, typography, kinetic, big, something like that. Okay, dynamic, funny, every kind of text it is located on this AI Juice Pack Manager. Okay, so also in these lower thirds, okay, there is also some animated text, something like this, the icon of YouTube. So you see guys how it is. Okay, and then about these VFX guys, here we have some just explosion. You see guys, the war zone, falling fog, okay, waterfall, more kinds of VFX guys. So when you click on something you want, okay, and then for example I can just choose like fire or something like that. So when you open it, so when you import it on your timeline, yes, it comes like a video, okay, but which is transparent, okay, which has no background. Okay, because you can put it anywhere you want on your clip. Okay guys, and then about here on the color grading, here we have some different lights guys. Okay, we have the logs, the red log, films, standard utility, Alexa, something like that. And if I just want to add the LUT to my video clip, for example, here I came first and I choose any color I want. For example, let me choose this Tron log. Okay, I have to click here on it and then press here on import. So here I'm gonna receive the LUT which I have to import on my video clip. Guys, if you have one clip, you can just apply that LUT on that clip, and for me I have the more clips. So the first things I have to do, I have to create an adjustment layer. So now here I receive the folder where my LUT is contained. It is this one. Okay, Tron log. For example, let me put it here on this picture, and then as I told you, and I'm going to create an adjustment layer where I add my LUT. Okay, so let me just come here on this program panel, and I have to add the LUT, and I have to create an adjustment layer. So let me drop it here above all clips. Okay, and then you have to click here on it. So here guys, you can just go on the workspace of color here too to add your LUT, and also you can come here for this project panel for this effect, and then you search color. You search color, and then you will save the Rumetric color here on color correction, located on video effect. Then you drop it here on this adjustment layer, and then open up this basic correction to browser where your LUT you have been saved. Okay, so now this is the LUT that I have been put it on my video clip. Now you see guys, it is already applied to all clips on your videos. Okay, so if you want to add the music background, so let me come back for this AI Juice panel. Okay, so we have been solved. So let me come here for this AI Juice Pack panel, and then I come here for this SFX. Here there is some motion design, okay, fighting sound, monster sound, gun sound, something like that. Okay, here there is some music background for video, and also guys here there is 1,000 guys more epic, emotional, electronic, classic, instrumental, something like that. Okay, for example, if I just want to choose like this sad emotional instrument, so first you have to understand it. You see how those music videos sounds like. Okay, this sounds good. So for example, let me just add this one. Click here on it, and then let me import this music background. Okay, Guys, as you know, on this timeline we have two parts. Okay, one part it is for video, which is up one. Okay, and the downward it is the part of the audio. Okay, so when this music background, it will also goes on the right side. Okay, all right, so the music background is already in. So now let me just minimize this AI juice, and then I have to put it here on my clip. So guys, this is how you can use this AI juice pack manager in your Premiere Pro. All right, so now I think you got the final result. I know this video, guys, is gonna be helpful to you. So, and if you just want this AI juice plugin, guys, please check the link in the description down below, and then you get AI juice. So I told you there is free one and there is paid one. Okay, so now you can use the AI juice. So don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and the comment is needed. Okay, your feedback, guys, and I will see you in next video. Peace.